Hello there, I'm going to cook this fish today. This is black pomfret. It's a really tasty fish. If you can get it, please do try it, it's delicious. If not, you can use a different type of fish. We've got some lovely spicy Indian herbs and aromatics in there. It's very simple. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So here we've got garlic ginger paste, a heaped tablespoon, and then we've got a teaspoon each. Let's go. Salt, pepper, garam masala powder, chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric. To that we're going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon or lime and half a cup of oil. I'm using the sunflower oil. Very simply, going to give that a mix. Now you can adjust all of these spices, the lemon and the oil, as much as you want really. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass. You can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. So we've got that lovely marination ready for our fish, and here's the fish we're using today. This is a black pomfret. It's quite a meaty fish, like a sole or a lemon sole, but it's much more meaty. But yeah, I mean, you could do this with any type of fish actually. That's a beauty, that is. Nice fillet. The skin's on, I've kept the skin on, I like it on. That is about, I think that's about £1 or a bit over £1. But yeah, any fish works. You can do it with salmon or anything like that, but the pomfret, the black pomfret especially, works really well. So I've put our fish into a container, and simply what we're going to do is get that lovely marination all over. Now, if you can leave this overnight in a refrigerator, really wonderful. If not, try and leave it at least for an hour. It will make quite a big difference. So I'm going to spread that over, and I'm going to flip it over a couple of times, you know, just to kind of get as much of the masala as we can onto the fish, and then simply we're going to fry it. It's very easy. Okay, so I've got a pan here. You're just going to need a pan big enough to accommodate the fish. Let me just melt that down on a medium heat. Okay, so here we go with the fish. Let me just grab that. I'm going to put it in skin side down, and it goes. And while I'm here, I'm going to just grab any of the masala that we had. Get it in now. Don't add it later once the fish is cooked. Medium heat, don't have it too high. Like I say, this fish in particular is quite meaty. It's very tasty. I'm going to flip it a few times, but it's going to be about, in total, I reckon 5 to 6 minutes aside. Okay, so I've flipped that a few times. What we're going to do now is turn the heat up to maximum. I'm going to give it a blast just for like 2 or 3 minutes. Cooking it nice and slowly like that on a nice medium ensures that it cooks all the way through. We're going to go high heat now, a few minutes, job done. And there we have it. That really is a super tasty fish. You can use a different fish like I say, but if you can get black pomfret, it really is really tasty. Just dress that up with some lemon, tomatoes, fresh chili. If you want, you could get some fresh cilantro on the top. That is really good. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.